Words of wisdom uplift the heart and soul. Live upright, make righteousness take control. Not follow evilous ways that only bring destruction. Stay on a narrow path and hold firm to the instruction of the Father's guidance, bring life everlasting. Listen to the words of wisdom. In the early morning breeze, me sit and listen to the whispers in the trees. Solomon words are echo, Proverbs guide me heart. Keep thy foot from evil, righteous from the start. Someone remind me, walk not in the wicked plan. Stand firm like a tree planted by the river bank. Strong as the roots of a righteous man. Living clean, living pure, that's how the fathers will seek truth and humility. Let the soul stay. The wisdom uplift the heart and soul. Live upright, make righteousness take control. No follow evilous ways that only bring destruction. Stay on the narrow path and hold firm to the instruction of the Father's guidance, bring life everlasting. Listen to the words of wisdom. King David chanted, Lord, clean hands and a pure heart. Stand before Jah throne. So me have to check my ways daily. Make the wrong, leave me alone. Romans tell we clearly overcome evil with good. So me show love to me neighbor just like Christ said we should. No malice, no grudgeful mind. No envy for take my way for righteousness, exalt a nation. Proverbs 14:34 say, walk in peace, walk in love, walk in the light where shine bright. For the truth of the scriptures guide me through. Words of wisdom uplift the heart and soul. Live upright, make righteousness take control. No follow evilous ways that only bring destruction. Stay on a narrow path and hold firm to the instruction of the Father's guidance, bring life everlasting. Listen to the words of wisdom. Mother always says, son, flee from temptation. Stand strong in Jah name. No Corinthians tell me the same. Bear trials and never feel shame. For the wicked prosper fast, but them days short like grass. Psalm 27 tell me wait on the Lord, righteousness will last. So me guard my speech carefully, no corrupt word leave my tongue. Like Ephesians say, uplift the youths and the young. Me meditate on righteous things. Philippians command me so. And the more my hold to scripture is the more my spirit of wisdom uplift the heart and soul. Live upright, make righteousness take control. No follow evilous ways that only bring destruction. Stay on the narrow path and hold firm to the instruction of the Father's guidance, bring life everlasting. Listen to the words of wisdom. Full of trials, but your promise never fail. Isaiah remind me, no weapon formed shall ever prevail. So me press on with faith, every step aligned with truth. Let Proverbs 3 instruct me, acknowledge Jah in all my pursuits. Walk humble, walk just, show mercy each day. Micah 6:8 said that is the righteous way. No darkness can overshadow the light which Jah provides. So me dwell in wisdom, teaching with the scriptures as my guide. Words of wisdom uplift the heart and soul. Live upright, make righteousness take control. No follow evilous ways that only bring destruction. Stay on the narrow path and hold firm to the instruction of the Father's guidance, bring life everlasting. Listen to the words of wisdom. Hey, stand firm, stand strong. Let the Father carry you along. Meditate on truth day and night. Keep your heart clean and bright. Righteousness elevate, wickedness only bring fall. Hear the calling of Jah, an answer to the spiritual call. Words of wisdom uplift the heart and soul. Live upright, make righteousness take control. No follow evilous ways that only bring destruction. Stay on the narrow path and hold firm to the instruction of the Father's guidance.